हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। आज के वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे 4 जून के इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में। तो आज का पहला क्वेश्चन, विच टीम वन द 18th सीजन ऑफ IPL 2025? एंड द आंसर इज RCB। Second question, the Bank River that was recently seen in news flows through which states? And the answer is Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Third question, Nal Sarovar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? And the answer is Gujarat. Fourth question, which ministry launched the Krishi Nivesh portal? And the answer is Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Fifth question, the Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs, that is IICA, will open its first regional campus in which northeastern state? And the answer is Meghalaya. Sixth question, who is the author of the recently launched book titled Indira Gandhi and the Years That Transformed? And the answer is Srinath Raghavan. Seventh question, who recently assumed charge as Commander-in-Chief in the Andaman and Nicobar Command? And the answer is LG Dinesh Singh Rana. Eighth question, Mary Earps, one of the top football goalkeepers, has decided to retire from international football. She is from which country? And the answer is England. Ninth question, India is setting up its first artificial intelligence special economic zone in which city? And the answer is Raipur. 10th question, which country has recently carried out Operation Spider Web? And the answer is Ukraine. 11th question, recently Luis Montenegro has been appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? And the answer is Portugal. 12th question, recently Karol Nawrocki has been elected president of which country? And the answer is Poland. 13th question, recently PM Narendra Modi has laid the foundation stone of Navi Nagar Super Thermal Power Project phase 2 in which state? And the answer is Bihar. 14th question, who has recently launched Dhruva Niti? And the answer is Indian Postal Department. 15th question, recently the India-Nepal joint mountaineering expedition has successfully climbed which mountain? And the answer is Mount Kanchenjunga. 16th question, when was World Bicycle Day 2025 celebrated recently? And the answer is 3rd of June. 17th question, who has recently created a world record by doing 20,000 consecutive Surya Namaskars? And the answer is Sandeep Arya. 18th question, Mount Etna volcano of which country has erupted recently? And the answer is Italy. 19th question, which of the following books is the autobiography of former US President Bill Clinton? And the answer is My Life. 20th question, the book The Great Indian Novel is written by the famous politician? And the answer is Shashi Tharoor. 21st question. Which of the following is the autobiography of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad? And the answer is India Wins Freedom. 22nd question. Which among following is the author of the Brahma Sutra philosophy of spiritual life? And the answer is Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. 23rd question. In which state is the Kheer Bhavani Mela held every year? And the answer is Jammu and Kashmir. 24th question. Which country became the first to shoot down enemy drones using a laser weapon? And the answer is Israel. And the last 25th question. Where was the first international conference on glaciers preservation 2025 held? And the answer is Tajikistan.